Ona bururi ugitunganaga na uritu wa murimu wa COVID-19 uri ukinyeire kaunti ciothe riu thirikari yaniria ati no kurori mutino munene kunina ritho motungata mangi mare matuiria arwaru thibitari na kahora igathie gikindiraga bata wa gutharia guoya mecirini ma muingi uri ungathiire motungata mamwe.
And the ministry through its agency and the various health facilities continue on working to ensure that all essential health services are available. In particular, maternity and child health services are ongoing. Hospitals are continuing to offer delivery services, cesarean section services, child health services, immunization services. All these services are available.
Durumeni yo muthiroretio kuri madagitari ra mamukagira na gutungatira arwaru a guthinjwo. Ndumiriri iri gukorwo na ubaciriri wa gikiro kia iguru na kumane na riu mundu wothe urenda utungata wa guthinjwo utari wa hinahi ni aribataraga guthimwo COVID-19 wa muira thinjwo.
And there are options that have been provided when it comes to consultation. And so, to make it clear, these services are available for emergency surgeries. Just to reaffirm and repeat, no COVID-19 test is required before surgery. However, when cases are elective, COVID-19 tests are required for all preoperative patients. And if positive, the surgical staff should be fully donned in the required personal protective equipment.
Utungata wa guthinjwo kwa arwaru ni wikurukite kuma murimu urike guku bururi-ini muhano mwaka muthiru gatagati-ini ka mweri wa 3 na wa 7 thibitari munene wa Kenyatta wandikithirie andu 9,595 aria mamukirite utungata uyu na ihinda tari mwaka uyu no arwaru 3,180 mathinjitwo. Ona murimu uri mugeni utendo bururi-ini thirikari no irauhira muingi coro kugira motungata mangi thibitari-ini ona maruru ma murimu magitindikagiriria bururi na arwaru othe 29,849 ithabu rira rihuritio ni arwaru 515 aria marwarite rungu rwa mathaa 24.
Nairobi leads with 251. Kitui comes in second today with 41. Kiambu 33. Kericho 23. Kisii 19, Bomet 19, Nakuru 18, Homa Bay 16, Laikipia 12, Murang'a 11, Migori 10, Nyeri 9, Uasin Gishu 8, Kajiado 8, Mombasa 7, Lamu 5, Narok and Busia both have 4 cases, whereas Embu has 3, Machakos and Nandi also having 3, Nyandarua, Wajir 3 again, and Kakamega 2.
Andu 672 ni mahonete na gukinyagia ithabu ria andu 15,970 aria mahonete 7 magakua rungu rwa mathaa 24 na riu bururi ukuite kiha kia andu 472 aria makuite kuma riria COVID-19 yatonyire bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.